So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to replace VOLVO XC60 auxiliary battery by yourself. Typically, once you have the alarm or identification message on the panel, it shows auto, stop, and start auxiliary battery. Please contact post service on the panel. Then you need to replace the battery, which is here. So you have to buy the spare part. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace it. So step by step. So first, you have to open the trunk, and you have to cut off the negative of the main battery. Then you can start the replacement work. Let's get started step by step. Right now the light is a little bit dark. I'm going to show you step by step. You need to prepare the 10mm screwdriver and 8mm screwdriver, okay, which is this one, okay. So let's get started. So right now I already take out the spare tire. As you can see in the trunk, this is the main battery of the VOLVO XC60. So you have to take out the tire, then you can see the battery, and you install the cover. This is the cover, and this is the negative of the main battery. We have to remove the connection of the negative connection, so that this is for the safety, okay. So we're gonna unscrew the bolts. This is the negative, as you can see. So wait a second, okay. I'm gonna unscrew the negative, okay, the main cover. A bit harder. Wait a second. Okay, as you can see, already removed the negative. Okay, so we already removed the negative, and I use the stuff to isolate it in case the circuit just get damaged. Okay, then we go to the engine cabinet compartment to uninstall the auxiliary battery, okay. Then this is the auxiliary battery. So this is the positive. We have to unscrew these two bolts. So I'm gonna change the 8 screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew it. So as you can see, you have to use the 8 screwdriver. Okay, this is the second. And uninstall this cover. So the cover just take off. So here, as you can see, here, this is the negative. We have first uninstall negative first. This is positive, this is negative, okay? I'm gonna show you. Right now, I already uninstalled both negative and positive, and I need to isolate it both negative and positive, just in case the circuit just get shorted. So then I remove this old auxiliary battery, okay? Remove, wait a second. Wait a second. Not easier. Okay, so this is the auxiliary. So this is the old one, as you can see, and this is the new one, Leok, which is made in China, Leok. So right now, I'm gonna use the multimeters. I'm gonna use the multimeters to see how the voltage of this old one, okay? I will check. As you can see, the voltage is 11.18. So the voltage is lower than 12.5. So I think it's not good. The status is not good. So we have to replace this good one. So I'm gonna also test this good one. This is the positive, this is the negative. So I also use the multimeter. So as you can see, 12.98, almost 13 voltage, okay? So then the next, here, once we remove the old battery, and we don't need to do nothing. We have to wait 15 minutes. I repeat, right now, you don't need to do nothing. You have to wait 15 minutes, okay? Then 15 minutes later, we will put the new battery into it and continue the work. The reason why we need to wait 15 minutes because we need to let the system reconfigure and reset. Okay? Okay, right now the install sequence should be positive first. The last should be negative. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, right now is the positive is ready, then the last is the negative. Okay, then the positive and the negative already. Then we reinstall the cover. This is the cover. Okay. We have to make sure this is right. Okay. Screw two bolts. Okay. Okay. So then the auxiliary battery replacement finished. Then we go back to the trunk to connect the negative or the main power. Okay. Okay, right now I'm gonna recover the negative of the main battery power. Okay, so still we do it slowly. Okay. Okay, the recovery finished. Then the next, we're gonna put the tire back. Okay. So I'm gonna recover the tire, then I will restart the car to see, okay? Okay, right now all the replacement finished and the recovery finished. I'm gonna restart the car, okay? To see. Okay, right now, the entire replacement finished, and we will see whether the alarm shows or not. Still, alarm disappeared, and this is the basic instruction for you how to replace the battery, auxiliary battery. Hopefully useful to you. Okay, see you next.